Yes, after.
What is the full meaning of DJ?
The full meaning of DJ. The full meaning of DJ. Oh, I settled this question now. I settled this question with you now. The full meaning of DJ. The DJ means dog, while DJ means Jack. So DJ means Jackson dog.
This is who enter. This is who not enter like this. Where I go be? This is you know my son no.
Rawizi baby.
Auntie,
Sorry for disturbing you.
no problem. How can I help you?
I want to ask you a question.
Question. I'm hearing.
What is the full meaning of DJ?
DJ. Oh, DJ. So because say you want ask me DJ now, I'll come chop your speaker. I want chop your food. Ship this thing go back and answer you. DJ not hard now. You know DJ na democracy joint.
The last time where I hear that kind of thing, I've been there primary school.
Democracy joint. When they say democracy joint, it's a kind of I go put ourselves like joint where they dance to crazy. That is democracy joint. If you go, I want to continue with my laptop.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yes, afternoon. How are you?
Sorry for distracting you. I want to ask you a question. What is the full meaning of DJ?
Wait. Full meaning of what?
DJ.
DJ? Come on, DJ. I don't know. When I don't follow us, go school that time where we dey go school.
Look at you.
DJ means devotion. DJ means judges. M altogether means devotional judges.
Openeka mukulumaka oprana.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yeah, afternoon.
Ma'am, I want to ask you a question.
Yeah, you can go on.
What is the full meaning of DJ?
The full meaning of DJ is disc jockey.
Thank you.